welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be playing with my favorites from 2023. It's now 2024 and most of these I still use or I like go back to. I haven't like completely eliminated them from my routines. So we're going to go through my top or my go-to items for my makeup for 2023. We'll go through them together. It's gonna be fun, hopefully, maybe. But like I said, most of these I still use. Some of these I still go back to most of these on a regular, so it's not gonna be that big or bad of a deal. The first thing is the E.L.F. Power Grip Primer. As you can tell, I've used quite a bit of this. I already have a few other ones back up for when this one runs out. I do use this on a regular because I live in Arizona. It is so hot most of the time, so I need something that's gonna last through like my oils and my sweat, and this does that. This does that. So let's pop it on here. The next item is also from E.L.F. I feel like last year until the end of the year was like my year of E.L.F. This next item, my concealer, is the E.L.F. Flawless Brightening Concealer. It's a little pen. You do a little clicky. I come in, add a little bit. Not like a lot. I've been very good at like getting into less is more makeup application. So we're good. So there's this. That's it. Like that's okay, that's not it. Like I come in with my beauty sponge, but makeup tippity tappity all the way out. Okay. Easy peasy, right? Okay. This next one, for the most part of 2023 for my foundation, was these two together. It started out with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Manic Tinted Glow Hydrator Medium Coverage up to 24 hours. So this cutie right here from Urban Decay. But then like E.L.F. popped in. And because at the beginning of 2023 I was still super pale from like most of the time spending my life inside, this came and like helped this like continue to be used. This one became a little too light for me, and this was like a great shade, so combining them together just became something so wonderful for me and my skin, at least. So we give a little bit of cat whiskers, lines here and there. Come in with this one first if it's not already obvious, and then I come in with this one. Already shaken? Yeah, I already shaked it. I love this. And just add it in between where there's space. Up here. Down here. That's it. And then I come in with my little beauty sponge. Mush them together. And I swear I love the way this looks. So last year for 2023, I came in with my Essence bronzer all the time. I think in 2022 too. This thing has like gotten quite a bit of use, poor little thing. But let's come in, dabba dabba, and then I blend it out. That's on. Then I'll come in with my blush, and the one I reached for the most in 2023 was my CIATE London. Do you have a name? You have to have a name. Burnt. It's the Marbled Light in the shade Burnt, which is absolutely gorgeous. It is like this deep berry color, and I could not get enough. Like, yeah, I reach for other blushes, but this one is just, look at it. Look at it. Oh, the deep dark beauty that is blush. I love blush. Ooh. Okay, what's next? So The brow product I reached for the most in 2023 was my Wet n Wild pencil. It is the Ultimate Brow Micro Brow Pencil. What shade are you? Soft brown. Which was like the perfect shade for me through most of 2023. Oh, look, I only have a little bit. It's okay. We're gonna make it work. We brush, and then we come in with color. And this, oh, where did you go? Are you there? Where did it go? I just had it not too long ago. I thought I brought it in here. My eyeliner. Has anybody seen my eyeliner? Nope. I bet you I left it in the bathroom. Well, I don't know where she went. I had my eyeliner that I used so much last year in 2023. It was the Kyliner from Kylie Cosmetics. I absolutely loved it. It was so good. Like, out of all the other liners I've tried that came out, that was the one I reached for the most. Absolutely loved it. I had the green one from the Grinch, which the Grinch collection that Kylie did. Absolutely loved that one, like, from the get-go. So then I was like, well, let me see about the black, and it was just as good. So even though I don't know where it's at right now, I just grabbed it. I know I just grabbed it. Go get it, try it out. It's wonderful. Like, it was my favorite for 2023. Let me come in now with, I have 1,000 of these Morphe setting sprays. I bought them once upon a time when they were on sale, so I have like an unlimited supply of them. So of course, and they're all like in my bathroom where I primarily get ready. So this is my #1 reach for setting spray. So I set my makeup now before I put on my mascara and my lip. So let's do that. Then we're going to come in with my mascara. My mascara for 2023 was my CoverGirl Exhibitionist Stretch and Lengthen Mascara. Very black. In the shade Very Black. I love this. It goes on like wet, but it's so dark and it gives such good definition to my brows. Plus, this is great when I'm trying to just like get ready and get out the door. I love it. And in case you're wondering, no, I did not wear a whole lot of eyeshadow every day. Like one single palette at least. I wear a lot. And if you're wondering, I like to do my mascara after my setting spray, because when I do my setting spray, I feel like the moisture, the wetness from the setting spray gets in my lashes and like clumps them together and makes it look yucky goopy, and I'm not about that. So that's just me. And then lastly, for my lips, I've been pretty quick on the go with my lips. For the most part of 2023, I've been using my Context Nude Lip Balm. I also have an REM, what's the other one I have? Not REM. RMS Beauty lippy that I've been using as well. Like, it's quick, it's by the door, so if I like forget to put something on or I just need some quick hydration, it's like a tinted balm, which is kind of like what this is. It says Nude Balm, but it's in the shade Girl School, and she is the prettiest. Yeah. And because I am going out after this, I'm going to come in with my lip liner that I used more towards the end of 2023, so not like throughout, but ooh, poor thing. This is my KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade Nude 1. Absolutely loved it. Kind of gave up hope that Kim's gonna come out with another beauty line, so I'm just using what I have instead of trying to hang on to it. And then we come in with this. It is honestly like a tinted lip balm. Those like juicy little lip things that Tarte has, I have not tried them yet, but this totally gives me that vibe because it looks juicy. so much of the juicy. And yeah, a little goes a long way. Bam. That's it. We're done. I'm done. This is it. Of course, my makeup style and how I've been doing my makeup has changed towards the end of 2023. Now I'm using like more powders. The majority of the products I'm using are Rare Beauty, which I'm in love with. Oh my gosh, have you not tried them? So good. Everything is like so perfect for my skin and all my worries. Anyway, I think I did do a Rare Beauty video. Go check it out. I'm pretty sure it's on like the full face playlist. Go. Anywho, this is my look. I'm going out to go eat. I'm not like going out to party. I'm gonna go eat. I want some tacos. I'm gonna go. Thank you for hanging out. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.